Hey Everjon, and welcome back to CodeMechanic. So, you're driving along, enjoying your day, when suddenly, bam, that dreaded little light pops up on your dashboard. You know the one I'm talking about, the check engine light. Your heart sinks a little, and the first question that probably pops into your head is, can I still drive my car? It's a super common question, and today, we're going to break it down so you know exactly what to do. First things first, don't panic. The check engine light, officially known as the malfunction indicator lamp, is your car's way of telling you that its onboard computer system has detected a problem. This could be anything from something incredibly simple to something more serious. The key is to figure out which one it is. So, how can you tell if it's a big deal? Pay attention to how your car is behaving. The most important thing to look for is whether the check engine light is steady or flashing. If the light is solid and steady, and your car feels like it's driving perfectly fine, no weird noises, no loss of power, no smoke, it usually means the issue isn't an immediate emergency. It's a hey, get me checked out soon kind of warning. The most common cause for a steady check engine light is surprisingly simple: a loose or faulty gas cap. Yes, seriously, the gas cap is part of the vehicle's evaporative emission system, or EVAP system. If it's not sealed properly, fuel vapors can escape, and the system sensors will pick that up and trigger the light. So, the very first thing you should do is find a safe place to pull over. Check your gas cap. Is it loose? Did you forget to put it back on after your last fill up? It happens to the best of us. Tighten it until you hear it click a few times, and then keep driving. Sometimes the light will turn off by itself after a few drive cycles, which could take a day or two. If it does, problem solved. Other common, non-emergency causes for a steady light include a failing oxygen sensor or a bad mass airflow sensor. These parts are crucial for monitoring your car's emissions and fuel efficiency. While you can usually continue driving for a short time with these issues, you'll want to get them fixed. Ignoring them can lead to poor fuel economy, meaning you're re-spending more on gas, and could eventually damage more expensive components like your catalytic converter. Now, let's talk about the more urgent scenario: a flashing check engine light. If that light is blinking, it's your car's way of screaming for help. A flashing light almost always indicates a serious engine misfire. This means unburned fuel is being dumped into the exhaust system, which can rapidly overheat and destroy your catalytic converter, a repair that can cost thousands of dollars. If your check engine light is flashing, you should not continue to drive. You'll likely also notice other severe symptoms, like a rough, vibrating idle, a significant loss of power, or even strange smells coming from the exhaust. Find the nearest safe place to pull over immediately, turn off the engine, and call a tow truck. Driving with a flashing check engine light is one of the quickest ways to turn a relatively minor problem, like a bad spark plug or ignition coil, into a catastrophic and expensive engine failure. It's just not worth the risk. So, what's the best way to know for sure what's wrong? The answer is an OBD2 scanner. OBD stands for onboard diagnostics. Every car made since 1996 has an OBD2 port, usually located under the dashboard on the driver's side. You can buy an inexpensive scanner online or at any auto parts store. Some stores will even scan the codes for you for free. You just plug the scanner in, and it will give you a specific P code, which stands for powertrain code. For example, you might get a code like P0455, which indicates a large leak in the EVAP system. Hello, loose gas cup. Or you might see P0301, which means a misfire in cylinder 1. These codes are the clues your mechanic needs to diagnose the problem quickly and accurately. You can even look up the codes yourself online to get a better idea of what's going on before you head to the shop. To recap, check engine light comes on. First, check your gas cap. Tighten it and see if the light goes away after a day or so. Next, observe the light. Is it steady or flashing? If it's steady and the car drives fine, you're okay to drive, but plan to get it checked soon. If it's flashing, or if the car is running poorly, pull over immediately and call for a tow. Don't risk a massive repair bill. Investing in a simple OBD2 scanner can save you a ton of stress and money in the long run. It empowers you with knowledge about your car's health. I hope this clears things up and makes that little orange light a bit less intimidating. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to CodeMechanic for more tips to keep keep your car running smoothly. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.